I'm Al Bacon, and I would like to welcome you to my Let's Fix It Right channel for easy and straightforward solutions for your home improvement, maintenance, and repair needs and projects. And this is my faithful assistant Cody, who will help us get this project right with his dogged determination and helpful project tips. In this episode, Cody and I will show you how to easily fix the exposed end of a Capitred stair cover like a pro. Nevertheless, this was my first attempt at this project. Using my measuring, cutting, and installing techniques in this video, you will be able to achieve similar professional results on your first attempt as well. My Capitred Like a Pro series of 6 videos provides you a complete set of capabilities to achieve high-quality, first-time professional results equivalent to mine. Episodes 60 and 61 show how to professionally build and install Capitred stair covers and risers. Episodes 62 and 63 show how to build and install a Capitred stair nose and irregular shaped Capitred stair tread cover. Following this video, in episode 65 takes you through the repair of a damaged Capitred cover. Together, these 6 videos enable you to achieve top-of-the-line craftsman results on your first attempt. This is the final result of my Capitred stairwell upgrade. As you come down the first flight of stairs, you arrive at a landing, make a 180-degree turn, and go down a second flight of stairs into the basement, which I am in the process of finishing. As you come back up, this is the finished landing and upper stairs from a different perspective. At the bottom of the first set of stairs, this is a before and after picture of my fix to this exposed end of Capitred, which this video focuses on. I'll also apply this fix to this exposed end on my second and lower set of stairs. However, I'll bypass the details of this repair to avoid duplicating my process and reduce video time. I'll start by showing you how to remove some skin from a scrap piece of Capitred. We'll then sand and prepare this skin for follow-on epoxying onto the 2 exposed ends of Capitred that I just showed you. As you can see, this skin is precisely pressed onto the heavy-duty laminate itself. Starting on this corner, using a razor knife will initiate a break or peel. You can see how easy that was. We'll then pull and peel until we get to this curved area. At this point, I won't attempt to remove the skin on the front edge of the Capitred because its bonding is impossible to break without damaging the skin. So basically what we do is then press this back down, taking our sharp razor knife and cutting it across, and there we are. So we now have 2 good pieces of laminate cover. Okay, so the next step is to flip these over, and I'm going to try to see how well this works by using 150 grit sandpaper to remove a lot of the glue that's on there. You can see it's coming off pretty good. Okay, so I have our 2 pieces up here. The upper piece that I'm going to apply here and the lower that goes down below. So let's put the upper piece in place and trace out its pattern. So it's going to come in about here. And keep in mind, in a later episode, I'm going to add a piece of MDF board across here so you won't see this gap in here. So we'll get this pushed up here. And just simply trace this out. Try not to move it. And as you can see, we've done a decent job with that. So we're going to go do the same below. Using a pair of scissors, and you can see, scissors does a nice job of cutting this stuff. So we'll get an accurate cut right along here. And keep in mind that the pencil line, the carbon from the pencil line, define the inside of the shape. So here, we'll continue cutting. So that cuts the upper repair section, or the upper covering section, and we'll now do the lower. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Next, we'll put these in position, both the upper and the lower, to make sure that we're happy with cuts and the fit. And you can see here, with the upper, we've got a great fit. So we're going to go ahead and bond that, just like that. And we'll move to the lower and do that one also. I applied masking tape on both pieces so I wouldn't get any epoxy on them. My bonding solution of choice is this 5-minute JB Weld epoxy, which is available at Home Depot. This epoxy is messy, so I have some paper towels and mineral spirits nearby. I'll run 2 short equal beads of the epoxy and the hardener. And then mix them together. Approximately 4 minutes into the drying time, I'll apply this to one of the end pieces, and when it gets a little tacky, you can tell it's ready to apply. I've repositioned on the landing near the exposed end of the capper tread. Okay, so it's starting to get very, very tacky. So I'm putting it on the open surface here on the edge of the stair tread, the capper tread I should say, stair tread and capper tread. Okay, and I think we've got enough on there. Let's put it on and see what we have. I think we're good to go there. And we'll come back in about 5 minutes and check this out. Using the same process, I epoxied our other repair piece on the exposed end of the lower stair tread. Okay, it looks like we're in pretty good shape up top here. So let's go ahead and remove our masking tape. Carefully remove it without Okay, so as you can see, we've done a pretty good job of covering this. At this time, I'll do the same on the bottom, and we'll wrap this effort up. Lastly, in my episode 46, I show how to safely measure, cut, and route the small piece of molding adjacent to the exposed end of capper tread, which we just fixed. This concludes this video where Cody and I showed you how to easily fix the exposed end of a capper tread stair cover like a pro. As you can see, it's been a hard day's work for Cody. As I explained, the next episode completes my capper tread like a pro series. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and select the YouTube bell, so YouTube will notify you of all my new projects immediately after I publish them. At this time, Cody and I are moving on to our next project. You're more than welcome to follow. In addition, if you have a great project that you want to post on my YouTube channel, email me some pictures and a brief description of it. If it qualifies for the Let's Fix It Right standards to help others, I'll interview you over the phone as a guest do-it-yourselfer, produce a high-quality video, and post it on my Let's Fix It Right channel. For the year following this posting, I'll share 50% of the potential YouTube benefits with you. If you have any subject matter requests or recommendations, please contact me. All of this said, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, follow my projects, and save a bundle of money doing it.